first kanji. The meaning of that kanji, the one or first. The sound of that kanji is ichi or hito. Ichi or hito. So here the stroke of that kanji, just left to right and a little above. Just left to right and little above. So the word of this kanji or example, say example as like as only ichi. Only ichi, that means as a response of one, only ichi. So here is another one, ichi, ichi ban. So ban kanji here. Then second line, bigger one. From first line to second line, the bigger one. And third line, so here, and fourth one here, and later this one. So this is the ichi ban. So ichi, I-C-H, ichi, here is a ban. Ichi ban. Ichi ban. That means number one, number one or the best. In both cases the use is ichi ban. Ichi ban, the one, number one or the best. Ichi ban. Ichi ban. Here is a ban kanji, a new one, and other one is the first, here, second, vertical one, third a little, fourth this one, and fifth the from equal and here. So this is the say and kai. Say kai. This one is sound is say kai. Sekai. Sekai ichi. Sekai ichi. Sekai ichi. Sekai ichi. Here is a combined sound. Sekai ichi. Sorry, seikai. Seikai ichi. Seikai ichi, the combined meaning is the best in the world. Seikai ichi, the meaning is the best in the world. Sekai ichi, the best in the world. Sekai ichi, the best in the world. So here is hitori sound. Hitori. Here hitori. So the meaning or sound of this one, hito, he, hito. Hitori. So hitori, this one is hitori. Hitori, that means one person. The meaning of this kanji, combined kanji, one person or alone. Hitori. In both cases, here is the combined kanji hitori. The two kanji. One is, we know the first kanji, another one is person, ri, hitori. So in the two kanjis, the meaning is one, the one person or alone, hitori. So in the first kanji, here is the usable words. The sound of that kanji ichi and sometimes hito. Ichi and hito. The meaning of this kanji basically the one or first. So here is one ichi. One. So kore one ichi. And here is ichiban. First one ichiban. The one, number one or the best. Ichiban. Sekai ichi. Sekai ichi. The best in the world. Sekai ichi. The best in the world. And letter hitori. One person or alone. Hitori. One person or alone.